Guys, Bitcoin just had a massive breakout. As I mentioned in my yesterday's video, the bears were losing all their power and steam because they had to sell off all those fake outs by the bulls, 3 to be exact, and I mentioned that I see the probabilities because of those wicks a little bit higher that we will break this falling broadening wedge to the upside. Now that this happened, guys, the question is this run up going to continue? Do we have any new chart patterns on the charts, and what are our price targets for this breakout? I am going to tell you exactly what I'm expecting for the Bitcoin price, so stick around till the very end of this video because I'm also going to give you a huge update on my trades. As you guys can see, our trades are in a massive profit, one of our trades alone with over $1 million in profit, and I mentioned that if we break out to the upside that I would scale my long positions up, and I already did that as well for the people asking. And in my first video yesterday I mentioned that I opened a new long trade. Boom, this new long trade already also with over $36,000 in a profit. But let's not waste any time, let's just jump right into the charts because I'm pretty sure you guys want to know what's going to happen next for the Bitcoin price. Other than that, I would really appreciate it if you could smash a thumbs up on this video. The last video reached 100 likes. Thank you very much for that. Maybe we can reach 100 likes again on this video, and please make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so maybe we can reach them today if you share the video also with your friends. Thank you very much for the support, but let's just jump right into the charts. I will also for sure give you a big update on my trades during this video. So after the bulls had a few failed breakout attempts, the bears just lost their power because every time the bears have to sell off such a breakout very quickly, because they only have a few hours mostly time to sell off those breakouts, they just waste all their money trying to fight the bulls till they run out of money, and then the bulls succeed, make the breakout, and then the breakout is even more explosive than usual because the bears don't have anything to sell anymore, so they can't really do anything. They're just getting liquidated, the stop losses are getting hit, so we see this big short squeeze happening, especially if the bears lost a lot of power in the days before the breakout, and exactly this was the case here. I mean, at the moment, it's still looking very good. We reached the breakout target of the falling broadening wedge for sure. This was already at $94,200, $49,200. But other than that, we have a new chart pattern that formed because of this breakout, and it is this big W pattern, guys. And this big W pattern actually has its neckline at around $49,000 and a price target of, let me be exact, the price target is exactly at $52,000. So we definitely can expect a little bit more upside from Bitcoin. I really think that the last small resistance is this little bit of trading action over here. So we have to break the $50,500 level. As soon as that's done, we will at least go up to 51,500 to 52,000, and after that I expect a small sideways movement, a new continuation pattern, or a small correction down to the $50,500 level. So either way, I can already tell you guys, in the scenarios we reach this price target, I won't take profits, I won't close any of my positions, because I expect the Bitcoin price, and this is because of the higher time frames, I expect the Bitcoin price to continue this run up if we close this daily candle above this resistance line. So as long as we don't fall below the $48,800 level today, everything looks very bullish. We have a confirmed breakout out of our descending triangle, which is a bearish chart pattern. If we break it to the upside, it's an amazingly bullish sign. So the first time I would really think about taking profits would be maybe at $54,000. So as soon as we reach this upward sloping resistance of the falling broadening wedge, this is the only time I will take some profits, because we have to expect the dump to the downside, and also the bears still have the chance to break out of this big broadening falling wedge to the downside. So I would take some profits as soon as we reach this resistance again, because right now there's no reason for Bitcoin actually to stop pumping here, in my opinion at least. Like I said, as long as we're not below $48,800 till the end of the day, I'm not taking profits. I'm not closing any of my positions. If we should close below the $48,800 levels, then this for sure would be a rather bearish sign, and I would definitely make sure to scale down my positions a little bit to take a little bit of risk out of them. And in the same sentence, I would also say that I would take some profits because the trades are in massive profits. So if I scale them down, I also take profits. That's just how it goes, right? And that's also very good to take some profits now and then, so you don't miss out on all your gains. Especially, we have to keep in mind that the funding fees are going up again. So sooner or later, you have to scale down the positions anyways, because otherwise all the profits are going to get eaten up by the funding fees. But other than that, let's just take a look at the bigger time frames again, because guys, it's looking very good for the weekly chart at the moment. I mentioned in my last couple of videos, every time pretty much, that we have to close this weekly candle be above this 8-year support and resistance, and I mentioned that I think the falling broadening wedge will help us closing the weekly candle above this 8-year support resistance. The falling broadening wedge broke up to the upside. It helped us pushing the weekly time frame way above this 8-year support and resistance, and now we only have 3 days left, so the bulls only need to manage to stay above the $48,200 level, to be exact, for 3 days. The next 3 days, guys, just keep an eye on the weekly chart. It's pretty easy, to be honest. I mean, I will update you on the smaller time frames to maybe open up new positions, or I will let you know when I close positions and all that kind of stuff. This we definitely have to do with the smaller time frames. But the general market direction, we will know in 3 days and 17 hours as soon as we close this weekly candle. I mean, the bulls definitely have a couple of days left. We definitely, like I just mentioned and like I just showed to you, we still have a few price targets at around $51,500 to $52,000. So if we close this weekly candle somewhere in this area, we would have an insanely bullish weekly close. And every time we see a bullish weekly close and a successful retest above this 8-year support and resistance, we retest the 11-year support and resistance. It's this red line. As you guys know, I was the first person on YouTube who drew this 11-year support and resistance line. I first made it public even before December, so even before Bitcoin reached its all-time high. I already made a video about this 11-year support and resistance and mentioned that I think that the rally could end at around $60,000 to $70,000. Exactly, this happened, by the way. But other than that, as soon as we break the 8-year support and resistance to the upside in a bull run, we always touch the red line. And that's why I'm expecting, if we close this weekly candle in 3 days and 17 hours above the in the best case above the $49,000 level, I expect the pump at least to a new all-time high to around $70,000. And then for sure it's going to get very interesting if this bull run, the bulls maybe manage to break this 11-year support and resistance and continue the run up to a new massive all-time high of $300,000 or $290,000. But this is in the next couple of months, so we have a lot of weeks till then. So I will always update you as soon as we are at this red resistance line. I will give you an update video. But either way, there's nothing guaranteed yet. We have to wait another 3 days and 17 hours. So guys, please make sure to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Also guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash a like up on this video. Let's reach 100 likes again, and leave a comment down below, and make sure to share the video, guys. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it. I'm very happy with the growth we are seeing on this channel, and welcome everybody that just joined recently. But guys, let's not talk too much. I will upload the video now as soon as possible so you know what you can expect from the Bitcoin prices. And I would say we will see us in the next one. Bye.